Hello there, welcome to Kudobuzz. In this video, I will show you how to import your reviews and publish them on your website. If you already have reviews from another application or platform, it's easy to bring them into Kudobuzz. From your dashboard, select Import Reviews. Next, select Import Reviews again. Now select the CSV file you would like to import to your Kudobuzz dashboard. Select Open. Finally, select Import Reviews. As you can see, there's a notification that says that my reviews are imported successfully. Now, let's check the Moderate tabs to ensure that my review is now displaying. So I click on Moderate Reviews. As you can see, my reviews are now displaying on my Kudobuzz dashboard. Next is to publish the review. All you need to do is to select a review you'd like to publish. So over here, I'll be selecting Lydia's review. Next, I click on the three dots over here. Now toggle on the Publish feature. And that's it. We have now published Lydia's review to my website. Now, let's quickly head over to my website to ensure that Lydia's review is displaying. This is my website. All I need to do is to refresh my website again. Great. Now I select the on-site widget. As you can see, Lydia's review is now displaying on my website. That's how simple it is to get your first reviews live with Kudobuzz.